So this video is going to be very short. It is integration trigonometric function, and we have our cos function. It is very simple function. Now, what is the problem that we are having with this integration? Okay, is that in our table, when we are looking at the formula for integration, let's have a look. Where is our table? And let's quickly go to our integration. There it is, page 26. We have cos of x that becomes sin of x. The problem we are having here that we don't have just cos of x. We have cos 6x. So there is a number beside x. So what do? So when you have cos and then there is a number beside x and you need to integrate that. So what do? Therefore, it will be first 1 over a, that number that stands beside x, multiplied by sin, and then ax, the same value here. If there is no interval, and it doesn't matter what kind of function you're integrating, always remember no interval, I need to add c. I need to add a number. The reason why we are writing c, because very often it's c, but it can be any letter. Doesn't matter. The point is that there will be a number there that we don't know, like in this case, because we don't have additional information. So that means that here, that will be what? 1 over 6 cos, not cos, forgive me, 1 over 6 sin 6x plus, and then we are putting c because we don't know what value that c has. How come we have to put that? Because don't forget, integration is a reversal of differentiation. So I'm looking at derivative. If there was a number here, so let's say if originally it was sin 6x plus 5, what happened with that 5 in the process of differentiation, creating a derivative? That went to 0, isn't it? So I don't know, there was a number here, but it became 0. When you don't have interval here, therefore you have to consider that. If there is interval, that's fine. We don't have to consider that. Why? Because that number would get eliminated anyway. So we don't need to have it. But no integral, we always have to remember about this number. And this formula, not in your table, so it is worth taking a note of that and look at it before your exam to just remember that that's how we do it.